Are you ready to take your camping adventures to the next level? Today, we're exploring 20 of the coolest and smartest camping gadgets on Amazon that will make your trips easier, safer, and way more fun. From high-tech tools to clever essentials you didn't know you needed, these gadgets are game changers. Stick around to discover the must-have gear every camper is raving about. Number 1. Alocs Camping Cookware Set. The Alocs Camping Cookware Set is perfect for outdoor cooking, featuring durable pots, pans, and utensils made from lightweight hard alumina. Everything nests neatly in a mesh carry bag, making it ideal for backpacking, hiking, or car camping. With foldable handles, lids that double as strainers, and compatibility with multiple heat sources, cooking over a campfire or portable stove becomes effortless. Its non-stick surfaces ensure easy cleanup, delivering convenience and professional-level functionality in the wild. Number 2. Ogary Extra Thick Camping Sleeping Pad. The Ogary Extra Thick Camping Sleeping Pad provides ultimate comfort with 6 inches of cushioning, supporting restful sleep even on rocky terrain. Its built-in foot pump inflates the pad quickly, while the lightweight, reinforced design ensures durability without extra bulk. Complete with pillows and a compact foldable structure, it's easy to pack and carry. Perfect for tents or sleeping under the stars, this pad transforms rough camping grounds into cozy retreats, making every night outdoors peaceful and refreshing. Number 3. Garmin inReach Mini 2 Satellite Communicator. The Garmin inReach Mini 2 is an essential safety device for outdoor adventurers, offering two-way messaging and SOS capabilities via the Iridium satellite network. Compact and rugged, it provides GPS tracking, route navigation, and location sharing anywhere in the world, even off-grid. Easily clipped to a backpack or belt, it ensures you stay connected with family or emergency services during remote trips. Lightweight and durable, this communicator is ideal for solo explorers, backpackers, and anyone serious about safe, connected adventures. Number 4. UNP 2-Person Waterproof Camping Tent. The UMP 2-Person Waterproof Camping Tent offers space, comfort, and reliable weather protection. Its fully waterproof rainfly and floor keep you dry, while the double-layer design promotes ventilation and prevents condensation. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily in a backpack and sets up quickly with color-coded poles. Perfect for hiking, festivals, or weekend getaways, this tent combines portability, durability, and protection. Whether camping alone or with a partner, it ensures a cozy, stress-free outdoor experience in any weather. Number 5. Nordpeak Compact Foldable Stool. The Nordpeak Compact Foldable Stool is a portable, lightweight seating solution for camping, fishing, or tailgating. Its durable aluminum frame supports ample weight, and the foldable design slips into backpacks effortlessly. Rust and wear-resistant, it's built to last through years of outdoor use. Quick to set up, it provides comfort anywhere, from campfires to scenic viewpoints. Combining convenience, durability, and ease of transport, this stool is a versatile accessory that adds comfort without bulk to any outdoor adventure. Number 6. Alytree Cast Iron Double Pie Iron. The Alytree Cast Iron Double Pie Iron elevates campfire cooking, allowing you to make sandwiches, pies, and desserts with even heat and crispy results. Its heavy-duty cast iron construction ensures durability and excellent heat retention, while the seasoned, non-stick surface simplifies cleanup. Long handles keep hands safe from the fire, and the double-sided design allows easy flipping. Compact and versatile, this pie iron is a must-have for campers who enjoy delicious meals and fun, creative cooking around a campfire. Number 7. Hisafa Lightweight Travel Clothesline. The Hisafa Lightweight Travel Clothesline makes drying clothes outdoors easy and convenient. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it can hold multiple items without sagging or breaking. Setup is quick with included hooks, letting you stretch it between trees, poles, or tents in seconds. Compact and lightweight, it packs away with minimal space. Beyond drying clothes, it doubles as a rope for hanging lights or gear, making it a versatile, practical accessory for campers, backpackers, and travelers seeking organization and convenience on the go. Number 8. Lcfun USB-C Electric Plasma Lighter. The Lcfun USB-C Electric Plasma Lighter is a modern, eco-friendly alternative to traditional lighters. Windproof and flame-free, it ignites campfires, stoves, or lanterns instantly, powered by a rechargeable USB-C battery. Small and lightweight, it fits easily in a pocket or gear bag. With multiple uses per charge and a sleek, stylish design, it combines safety, practicality, and convenience for outdoor enthusiasts. Ideal for campers, backpackers, and survivalists, this plasma lighter makes lighting tasks effortless, no matter the conditions. Number 9. Lemubeane Tactical Camping Storage Bag. The Lemubeane Tactical Camping Storage Bag keeps your gear organized and secure on any adventure. Built from heavy-duty materials, it resists rough handling and weather while protecting essentials like tools, food, or electronics. Multiple compartments allow easy access, while adjustable straps make it easy to carry solo or attach to larger packs. Compact yet versatile, it's perfect for day trips, weekend camping, or extended excursions. For those who value durability, convenience, and organization, this bag is a must-have outdoor companion. Number 10. Mesuvida 100-Watt Portable Solar Panel. The Mesuvida 100-Watt Portable Solar Panel provides lightweight, foldable, off-grid power for camping, RV trips, or emergencies. It converts sunlight into reliable energy to charge devices like phones, lights, or small appliances. Durable and weather-resistant, it withstands outdoor conditions while delivering consistent performance. Compact and easy to transport, it folds neatly for hassle-free setup. Perfect for eco-conscious campers and adventurers, this solar panel offers convenience, sustainability, and dependable power, making it an essential gadget for staying charged anywhere under the sun. Number 11. Elsoon Electric Bellows. The Elsoon Electric Bellows makes fire starting effortless, delivering a strong, adjustable airflow to ignite campfires, grills, or stoves quickly. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for camping, BBQs, or emergency use. Rechargeable via USB, it eliminates the need for manual bellows, saving effort while providing consistent performance. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, and the simple design allows easy operation anywhere. For campers and outdoor enthusiasts, this electric bellows is a practical tool to get fires going safely and efficiently. Number 12. Pndeyo 6 Pieces Can Opener Drink Shields. The Pndeyo 6 Pieces Can Opener Drink Shields make drinking from cans cleaner and safer. Designed to prevent spills, contamination, or cuts from sharp edges, these shields fit most standard soda or beer cans. Lightweight and reusable, they're ideal for camping, picnics, parties, or travel. Made from durable, food-safe materials, they're easy to wash and store. For outdoor enthusiasts or anyone enjoying beverages on the go, these drink shields provide hygienic, convenient protection with minimal bulk. Number 13. Gongqin Leakproof Travel Soap Case. Keep soap neat and mess-free with the Gongqin Leakproof Travel Soap Case. Its durable, water-resistant design prevents leaks, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or travel. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily into backpacks or luggage. The secure lid ensures soap stays dry and protected, while ventilation holes prevent buildup of moisture or odor. Ideal for bars or handmade soaps, this practical accessory keeps personal hygiene organized and convenient on the go, making every outdoor trip cleaner and more comfortable. Number 14. Kingcamp Ultralight Camping Blanket. The Kingcamp Ultralight Camping Blanket is perfect for warmth and portability. Made from soft, durable materials, it provides comfort for camping, picnics, or emergency situations. Lightweight and compact, it packs down easily into a backpack or storage pouch, making it easy to carry anywhere. Its versatile design allows use as a ground cover, extra layer, or cozy wrap around chilly evenings. For outdoor enthusiasts seeking a combination of warmth, convenience, and portability, this blanket is an essential travel companion. Number 15. Opliy Folding Camping Table. The Opliy Folding Camping Table is a convenient solution for meals, games, or prep outdoors. Its sturdy, lightweight frame supports food, drinks, and gear while remaining easy to transport. Quick to assemble and fold, it fits compactly in tents, vehicles, or backpacks. Rust-resistant materials ensure durability for years of use. Perfect for camping, tailgating, or backyard adventures, this portable table adds comfort and organization to any outdoor setup, making meals and activities more enjoyable without taking up extra space. Number 16. Pskook Bow Drill Fire Starter Kit. The Pskook Bow Drill Fire Starter Kit is a survival essential for wilderness enthusiasts. Designed to ignite fires using traditional friction techniques, it comes with durable wooden components and a reliable cord for effortless use. Compact and lightweight, it fits into survival kits, backpacks, or emergency gear. Ideal for camping, hiking, or prepping, it allows adventurers to start a fire without matches or lighters. For anyone seeking hands-on survival skills and outdoor reliability, this fire starter kit is a must-have companion. Number 17. Eseedy Automatic 5-Gallon Water Pump. The Eseedy Automatic 5-Gallon Water Pump makes hydration simple and hands-free. Compatible with standard 5-gallon bottles, it delivers water instantly at the touch of a button. Lightweight, rechargeable via USB, and easy to install, it's perfect for camping, picnics, or home use. Its durable construction ensures ensures long-lasting performance, while the fast pump mechanism provides convenience wherever you need water, for campers, travelers, or households. This automatic water pump is a practical, portable solution for clean, quick hydration. Number 18. Linoroso Heavy-Duty Kitchen Shears. The Linoroso Heavy-Duty Kitchen Shears are a versatile, essential tool for outdoor cooking or meal prep. Constructed from stainless steel, they easily cut meat, vegetables, herbs, or packaging with precision. Ergonomic handles provide comfort during prolonged use, and the durable design withstands heavy-duty tasks. Ideal for camping, BBQs, or everyday kitchen needs, these shears simplify prep work while remaining easy to clean and store. For outdoor chefs or home cooks, they're a reliable, multifunctional tool that enhances convenience and efficiency. Number 19. Yuclet 4-Pack Water Filter Straw. The Yuclet 4-Pack Water Filter Straw ensures safe drinking water in the wild. Lightweight, portable, and easy to use, each straw filters bacteria and impurities from rivers, lakes, or streams. Ideal for camping, hiking, backpacking, or emergency preparedness, it provides clean, fresh water instantly. Durable and compact, it fits easily into pockets or backpacks, making it an essential survival tool. For adventurers seeking reliable hydration in remote locations, these filter straws combine portability, safety, and practicality in one simple gadget. Number 20. Teton Celsius XXL Sleeping Bag. The Teton Celsius XXL Sleeping Bag offers roomy comfort and superior warmth for camping in all seasons. Made with high-quality insulation and a durable shell, it protects against cold temperatures while remaining soft and cozy. Its extra-large design accommodates taller users, and the lightweight, packable construction makes it easy to transport. Perfect for tents, car camping, or outdoor adventures, this sleeping bag ensures a restful night in the wild. For comfort-focused campers, it combines warmth, durability, and convenience in one premium package. And there you have it, 20 of the coolest and smartest camping gadgets on Amazon that will transform your outdoor adventures. Don't wait. Grab your favorites now and make your next camping trip safer, smarter, and way more fun.